So DOGE says it saved you $110 billion. And then the Government Accountability Office said, great, well, show us the math. That was 14 months ago. Somebody at GAO sent that email, went on parental leave, had a baby, came back, and that baby is now old enough to also not get a response. Happy Petty Friday, everyone. So yes, I already covered this, but you can't cover this too much, and I thought a petty version of this was warranted. So 14 months, interview requests, nothing from DOGE, written questions, nothing from DOGE. At the end, they sent over the draft report. That's the professional courtesy version of, hey, here's what we're about to say about you. You want to respond? It's the audit version of, hey, I'm about to post this photo. Tell me if you look bad. And DOGE let it post. So GAO did it the hard way. Procurement databases, USA spending, GSA's lease tracker, line by line, 52 pages. I read all of them, which actually I think was kind of fun, and I think that says something about me. Anyway, let's go. Receipt 1. DOGE listed about 13,476 contracts as terminated. Almost 2,500 of them were never terminated at all. That's $27.4 billion in supposed savings on contracts that are still contracts. That's like canceling your gym membership by telling people you canceled your gym membership, but not actually canceling your gym membership. Receipt 2. Stay with me on this one. $1.7 billion. One contract. Defense Health Agency. IT support for more than 700 military medical facilities worldwide. Not canceled, which is a great thing, but then you can't claim the savings too. That's not how it works. Also, DOGE wrote a formula for calculating savings. They published it, they put it on their own website for everybody to see. Then they followed their own formula only 27.5% of the time. That's your own formula that you set up. Also on grants, GAO couldn't verify the method behind 96% of the savings. And my favorite thing in 52 pages, one lease they terminated so hard the landlord refused to take the building back because contracts. So GSA had to go sign a brand new lease, $1.5 million more every year, locked in for 5 years. They cut so deep they had to buy it back at a markup. Nice. Okay, let's be real for a second. That $110 billion was never a scorecard. It was a permission slip, right? It's what people held up while you got that 5-bullet email, while probationers got walked out at month 11, while your team got riffed and someone told you the work you'd done your whole career was a waste. They called it a wall of receipts. A receipt is proof you paid for something. 14 months and they couldn't produce one showing savings, but they did produce stuff showing that people paid for it. It's Petty Friday. Every Friday you've earned it. Thank you, everybody. Take care.